Hey everyone! Welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're diving into a fun challenge with 30 MCQs on simple versus complex sentences. Test your grammar skills and see how well you know the difference. 1. Which of the following is a simple sentence? She loves reading books. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause with a subject and predicate. 2. Which of these is a simple sentence? She went to the market. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause. 3. Type of sentences: although she was tired, she finished her homework. Complex. Tips: a complex sentence includes a subordinate clause, like although she was tired. 4. Which of the following is a simple sentence? She left. Tips: simple sentences are independent clauses without additional clauses. 5. Choose the complex sentence. He plays soccer even though he's busy. Tips: a complex sentence includes a subordinate clause, like even though he's busy. 6. Type of sentence is: I wanted to go to the party, but I had to study. Compound. Tips: compound sentences connect two independent clauses with a conjunction. 7. Choose the complex sentence. They went to the park because it was sunny. Tips: a complex sentence has a dependent clause, like because it was sunny. 8. Which of the following is a simple sentence? They were excited to meet their friends. Tips: simple sentences are independent clauses with one subject and predicate. 9. Which sentence is complex? The dog ran quickly because it wanted the ball. Tips: a complex sentence includes an independent and a dependent clause. 10. Which sentence is compound? She made dinner and he cleaned. Tips: compound sentences have two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. 11. Identify the simple sentence. She studied hard and passed the test. Tips: simple sentences may have two actions but only one independent clause. 12. Type of sentence: they went to the park even though it was raining. Complex. Tips: a complex sentence can have subordinating conjunctions like even though. 13. Which sentence is simple? I ran to the store. Tips: a simple sentence has one independent clause. 14. Identify the complex sentence. Because it rained, the game was cancelled. Tips: a complex sentence has an independent and a dependent clause. 15. Select the simple sentence. She smiled. Tips: simple sentences contain one idea. 16th. Which sentence contains a dependent clause? Because she was late, she missed the bus. Tips: dependent clauses often start with because, if, or when. 17. Which of these is a simple sentence? The cat is sleeping. Tips: simple sentences don't have dependent clauses. 18. What is a simple sentence? A sentence with one subject and one verb. Tips: a simple sentence has one subject and one verb. 19. Which sentence is complex? She went to the store because she needed milk. Tips: a complex sentence has one independent and one dependent clause. 20. Identify the simple sentence. Is reading a book. Tips: simple sentences contain only one independent clause. 21. Which sentence is a complex sentence? The dog barked because it was hungry. Tips: complex sentences include dependent clauses. 22. Choose the correct complex sentence. Although she studied hard, she passed the exam. Tips: look for subordinating conjunctions like although. 23. What is the structure of a complex sentence? One independent clause and one dependent clause. Tips: complex sentences have one independent and one dependent clause. 24. Which of the following is a simple sentence? I will go to the store to buy some milk. Tips: simple sentences are not connected by conjunctions. 25. Identify the simple sentence. Slept early. Tips: look for only one subject-verb combination. 26. Which is a complex sentence? Although I'm full, I'll eat more. Tips: a complex sentence uses subordinating conjunctions like although. 27. Which sentence is not complex? She works every day. Tips: a simple sentence does not include dependent clauses. 28. Pick the simple sentence. They went out after dinner. Tips: even with prepositional phrases, one clause means simple. 29. Find the complex sentence. We walked while it rained. Tips: look for two clauses linked by a subordinating word. 30. Which sentence is complex? Though she was busy, she read. Tips: complex sentences explain time, cause, or contrast. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, comment your answers below, and subscribe for more grammar challenges. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.